Hello everyone, good morning, good night, good evening. I don't know in which time you are watching my video. Friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make shadow in our object. You can make a person object, you can take any object. It does not matter what object you are taking. You can create shadow in every object. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create shadow in a person. It's a realistic shadow really. So friends, let's start the video now. So guys, first of all import your photo. So I import my photo. So guys, this is my all PNG photo. You can delete background from your Photoshop. So I have already deleted. So this is a PNG format. So I'm just importing. Okay, and after this guys, just press the enter button, and after this guys, right click here, rasterize layer, and double click on this layer and click on the drop shadow here, and after this increase the size of and just move it shadow here. So guys, you can see the shadow is now created. After this press then okay. So just click on the here on drop shadow, just click on this and right click here and choose the new layer, so which is here, yeah, create layer. So just click on the create layer and press then okay. So the shadow is another layer. So after this press then Ctrl T, and after this just click on the distort. So you can do like this 3D type. So just set the position of here, and you can increase decrease shadow as per your requirement. You can create however you want. So it's looking realistic, more realistic now. Just after this guys, you can press enter and set the size of shadow as per your request, and after this press then enter. So guys, you can see the now shadow is created, and after this guys you can reduce the opacity so it will look more realistic. So in this way guys, you can easily create shadow. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, hit the comment below. Okay, whatever problem you are having with Photoshop or Illustrator or After Effects or Premiere Pro, as I always say, you can comment me. I'm here only for your help. You can ask me anything about, okay? Don't hesitate. I'm here only for your help. Please remember. So friends, let's end this video. Until now, bye bye. Let's meet again with a new video.